Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to read chapter 12 called A Schoolgirl's Diary. Before you read chapter 12, let's preview today's vocabulary. The first word is pronouncement. A pronouncement is a formal announcement. The next word is edict. That's an official order or proclamation issued by a person in authority, somebody of power. The next word is postpone. If you postpone something, you're causing or arranging for something to take place at a time later than that first scheduled, so you're putting something off. The next word is linger. When you linger, you stay in a place longer than necessary because of a reluctance to leave. You don't want to leave that place. The next word is savored. Savored means to enjoy completely. The next word is pseudonym. It's a fictitious or fake name, especially one used by an author. The next word is immune. Immune is when you are resistant to a particular infection or toxin, meaning you cannot get it because you are immune to it. And that is it for chapter 12. Head on over to Google Classroom, read the chapter, and complete the assignment. Have a great day.